Welcome back to your go-to destination for all things motorcycles. If you're passionate about classic bikes with a modern twist, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into today's exciting topic. In the world of motorcycles, few names evoke as much nostalgia and admiration as Kawasaki. The W800 series, in particular, has captivated riders with its blend of retro aesthetics and modern performance. As we look ahead to 2026, the W800 Classic promises to continue this legacy, offering a ride that pays homage to the past while embracing the future. The 2026 W800 Classic stays true to its roots with a design that echoes the iconic lines of the 1960s. The sculpted fuel tank, chrome-plated steel fenders, and large round turn signals all contribute to its vintage charm. The standard handlebar and tuck-and-roll seat ensure a comfortable and authentic riding position, while the 19-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels provide a classic ride feel. At the heart of the W800 Classic lies a 773 cubic centimeters air-cooled vertical twin engine. This long-stroke power plant is tuned for low to mid-range performance, delivering a torquey and smooth ride. The engine features a bevel gear-driven camshaft and a single overhead camshaft, paying homage to the original W1. The twin mufflers are carefully tuned to produce the distinctive exhaust note that defines the vertical twin's 360 degrees crankshaft configuration. Despite its retro styling, the 2026 W800 Classic is equipped with modern technology to enhance the riding experience. The bike features a 5-speed transmission, anti-lock braking system, ABS, and fuel injection for efficient operation. The dual rear shock absorbers with adjustable spring preload offer a smooth ride, while the 41mm telescopic fork minimizes flex and ensures long fork seal life. The W800 Classic is designed with rider comfort in mind. The standard handlebar and tuck-and-roll seat provide a relaxed riding position, suitable for both city commuting and longer journeys. The 5-way adjustable clutch lever and 4-way adjustable brake lever allow riders to fine-tune lever positions for optimal comfort. Kawasaki has incorporated practical features into the W800 Classic to make maintenance easier. The center stand facilitates maintenance chores, and the large stepping surface makes it easy to lift the bike onto the stand. The chrome tank emblems and traditional instrumentation add to the bike's classic appeal. The 2026 W800 Classic faces competition from other retro-styled motorcycles, such as the Triumph Bonneville T120 and the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. While the Bonneville T120 offers more power, the W800 Classic stands out with its unique blend of vintage styling and modern performance at a more accessible price point. The 2026 Kawasaki W800 Classic is a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to preserving the spirit of classic motorcycles while embracing modern technology. With its timeless design, torquey engine, and rider-friendly features, the W800 Classic offers a riding experience that appeals to both nostalgic enthusiasts and new riders alike. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth look at the 2026 Kawasaki W800 Classic. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What features are you most excited about? Drop your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in motorcycle technology. Until next time, ride safe and stay tuned for more from